Hello guys, review tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. In completion we have charging adapter, USB Type-C cable, instructions quick guide and key for slot. And now talk about tablet. Tablet made of plastic and glass. On the front side we have 10.5-inch display, front camera and sensors. On the back side camera and LED. Upside power key and volume keys. Slot for micro SD card for memory. On the left side 2 speaker and headphones jack. On the right side 2 speakers and port USB Type-C. On the downside we have connector dock station. Turn on device, open settings, about tablet, about Pro, Android 8.1.0, Samsung Experience 9.4.5 and Versanox 3.2. Okay. Geekbench 4 statistical test. Look results. Resolution Full HD. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. This is octa-core processor. CPU speed 1.8 GHz. RAM memory 3 GB. Intel memory 32 GB. So look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open next test, onto the benchmark. Look onto the score. Onto the score. Device support 10 touches, very good. And now look ranking. My device and 50 please, Huawei Nova 3A. Okay, close. And now open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Start game. Game load. Works good on the default graphic level. Display setup graphic level medium, and game works perfect on this graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, close game and talk about camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on this camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.